Hey, it's John here from Trader Profit, and just want to put this video together very quickly just to show you exactly what we're looking at on the trading floor. I know a lot of the members are currently in some of these positions, so I just want to explain a few things on how we're looking to manage these positions and of course what we're looking at for the week ahead. It's pretty active across the FX, stocks and commodity markets. You can see the running positions there on the right hand side. We're long on AIG stock, EA, Citigroup, Alibaba, also Aetna is triggered to the upside, as well as VALE Energy, which you'll see on the chart there, and moving up quite nicely. So again, US stock markets is really the place to be right now. Markets are pushing up to all-time highs, and that's where the momentum is, and that's where our biggest focus has been. But also on the FX side, we've seen some interesting things in the market. Many of you would have seen the alerts that were firing out this morning and last week. We're in quite a few positions. We've got CADCHF running to the upside. Pound New Zealand is a fresh trade we put on today on the live trading room to try and capitalize on New Zealand dollar weakness that we experienced last week, and pound strength, which could continue into this week with the UK unemployment numbers coming out on Wednesday. We're also long on CAD yen and pound yen as well, as the yen crosses start to put in some kind of base. But many of you already know from the seasonal research on the oil market that we're looking to be a buyer of WTI and Brent crude oil, and also the Canadian dollar, based on the seasonal patterns that we experience, which has like an 81% success rate or accuracy rate. So those are the positions, and we've also jumped into New Zealand CAD and EURCAD to the downside as well. So of course you've got to be careful of your overall risk here as well, in terms of trading the certain currency pair or a certain currency pair in one direction. But those are the current positions we're triggered into. There's quite a few orders still pending to be triggered this week, and of course we expect this week to be very active again. And one of the key things we're looking at in the market, so if we just jump over to the chart here, with VALE Energy, for example, really looking to trail this stop loss. This is the area we got in. Stop loss is already here, and we're just looking to trail our stop loss along each sort of buyer bar. But this trade is already up 2 to 3 to 1 reward to risk. So whatever you're risking, you're already up 3 times that amount. So it's not a bad probability to actually start thinking about scaling some profits off the table. Okay, but with VALE Energy, we're long on that, and we're just running that up nicely and just being patient with it. Similar situation with Alibaba. We're talking up like 3 to 4 units on this, but as you'll see from the chart, we're targeting the upper level of resistance up here. And all we're looking to do is keep it very simple and just follow the trading strategy that we go through on the stock market mastery, in this particular case with the stochastic swinger, and just looking to follow the rules and just try and capture that momentum. Okay, sometimes you're going to win on a trade, sometimes you're going to lose. The only job that you have is to follow your process. Very important. Okay, if you follow your process, then over time, over a series of trades, you can make money. But you need to allow for probabilities to work in your favor. So Alibaba, we're just treading that up to try and get to these high points as well. And with the broader stock market reaching all-time highs, I think Alibaba is in a good position to also capitalize on that momentum to the upside right now. Looking at the FX market, we just jumped into the CADCHF to the long side, expecting some further upside in the Canadian dollar, which is one of the reasons we also jumped into New Zealand CAD to the downside, as well as EURCAD to the downside, which just triggered a matter of minutes ago. And I think a lot of the members would have been able to capture that on the trade alert that got sent out. So, very active. A lot of things happening in the markets. So just keep pushing it, keep following your strategies, following your systems, and remember to keep it simple. Okay, that's really key right now. Watch out for the private video for all the members, and for many of you, I'll look forward to the live VIP investor insight call where we'll interact and we'll go through some of the hottest patterns we've still yet to we've still yet to trade in February. So I look forward to catching you up in that session there. That's it from me, ladies and gents. I'll speak to you soon. All the best for now.